How's it going, everybody? Here to open up another box of 2023 WWE Revolution. So, the last box break I did of this is up on the channel. If you want to check it out. I do have another box of this as well, which I'll probably open at some point. And then after that, probably just going to wait for this stuff to go down in price before opening another box or two or whatever. Of course, I'm going to want to open up Select as well, but it's a little more expensive than Revolution, so I won't be able to open up as many boxes of it as I will of this. But, yeah. So, let's see if we can get better luck in box number 2. See if we can pull a Kaboom or something. So, let's see. Here we go. There it is. All right. We got Santos Escobar. Liftoff of AJ Styles. Groove. Carmelo Hayes. And we got an autograph. Shotzi. There you go. Yo, we got a female autograph. Not too bad. Is that Cubic? Yeah, Cubic. 28 of 49. Well, the break's over. Nah. But yo, we got an auto. Can't complain. And female auto is usually the kind of auto you want. Because wrestling fans like the females. So there we go. Alright. Not too bad. And yet again, I get an autograph that is numbered. Like, at a Revolution, I don't pull base autos. I always pull numbered ones. Pretty insane. Alright, then we got Joe Gacy. Kevin Owens, Sami Zayn. And then, Impact Degeneration X. That is numbered at a 199. Yep, Impact Parallel. Not too bad. Alright. And Top Dollar and Butch. Alright. Next up, we got Mansoor. Cody Rhodes, Stargazing. That's not numbered, of course. Why would it be? Astro of Matt Riddle. Josh Briggs. And another tag team guy, Elton Prince. Okay. And there's Josh Briggs' tag partner, Brooks Jensen. Big Boss Man. Then we got, what is this? Cora Jade. What is this one? It's a fractal. Okay. I still can't tell what they are, but that's a pretty nice parallel. Not numbered or anything, but there we got Dakota Kai and Maxine Dupree. Alright. We got Elias. Carmelo Hayes. Revolution. I don't know what this one's called. Hang on. We had Carmelo. What is this called? I don't even know. But anyways. We got Carmella. Sam would absolutely love this card. This is a Cosmic at a 149 of Carmella, who is currently out because she's pregnant. Then we got Kofi and The Miz. interesting box so far. Alright, let's see. Okay, Johnny Gargano. Shawn Michaels, like that image there. Then we got Paul Heyman, Astro. And then we got Quincy Elliott and Thea Hale from NXT. Their rookie cards as well. Couple more packs to go. Alright. We got Matt Riddle, base. We got Stargazing Bret the Hitman Hart. Okay, and then we got the Creed Brothers Astro parallel. Yeah, it's an Astro. I think that's my first like parallel version of one of those. They're not numbered, but it's and you can also kind of tell because it's gold, and this one was red. I think, maybe. Then we got Braun, and there's Shotzi again. All right, last pack. Let's see. Cora Jade. Oh, what the hell? What did that come off of? What the heck? That's literally part of... What the heck? Alright. We got the Viking Raiders. This one isn't numbered, though. Okay. But then we got a Sheamus parallel. That's Impact, right? Yep. Out of 199. Sheamus. Alright, not too bad. We got 3. And Roxanne and Von Wagner. So, quick recap. I'm not going to go through the insert ones. Just going to go through numbered stuff. Impact Sheamus out of 199. We got this out of 149. Carmella Cosmic. We got the DX Impact parallel. And we got a cubic auto out of 49 of Shotzi. So, there you have it. All right. So, yeah, not too bad of a box. I guess slightly above average for sure. We got the auto too. So, wonder what this was from. It's a big mystery. But yeah, thank you guys for checking the video out. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.